Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So I did a little bit of Black Friday shopping, so I thought I would go ahead and show you what I purchased. I went to a couple places, but today I'm just going to show you what I bought from Ulta. And I was waiting a few days before I purchased these, thinking maybe they would have free with purchase, gifts with purchase, that type of stuff. But honestly, I didn't see anything that was, free with any of these that I purchased, which is fine. These are seasonal, so they're not going to be around forever. And if you're new to my channel, I'm a big project planner. If you're interested in that, I hope you will come back. And if you like that, also subscribe for more videos. And I will just go ahead and get started. I'm just going to show you what it looks like when you go in here. And I haven't swatched these. I'm not sure if I'm going to gift these or not. But have you guys seen the movie Wicked? My daughter and I both love that movie. Both of them actually. And so I got a few items from Wicked in here. So this one here is a blush, and this is called the Rem Beauty Cherry Blossom Blush Palette. So this is what the packaging looks like, and the back. The reason this caught my eye, I am trying not to buy too many blush palettes, but honestly, this one has a matte, a shimmer, and also just like a topper, which that's kind of hard to find sometimes, and it's also a lot of fun to work with, in my opinion. I just like blurring them all together on the cheeks. I think it looks really, really nice when they're mixed together. So this is what the packaging looks like, and the back looks like this. So there is 3 blushes in here. The first one's called Cherry, the middle one's called Sunset, and the next one, or last one, is your Blushing. So it has a mirror here, as you can see. And then these are the colors here. I think the design in here is very pretty as well. So I'll just very briefly, since I don't know if I'm going to gift this or not, I believe I'll be keeping it. Just gonna do a little tiny sample here because I haven't used this yet, but these are really, really light. As you can see, maybe I'll go in one more time, just kind of darken it a little. Yeah, there we go. Now I can see it. So there you go. I don't think if you had a dark skin tone, I don't think this would work for you. Probably the only one on the top would. But I think it's really, really pretty. And I have very fair skin, so it will work for me. And then I have another one from them. And this one is the Rem Beauty Wicked for Good Cherry Blossom Blush Palette. And this is in Perfectly Pink, Glimmer in the Sky, and Lovelier. So this is the same thing. I'll go ahead and show you the other side here. I think they made 2 for different skin tones, but I'm not quite sure. But so this is what this one looks like, and the back, of course, looks like this. And I'll go ahead and open it. It has a mirror again, and then these are the colors in this one. A lot more pink, where these ones are more like peachy tone. If you can see there now, you can see if I go up close. So I'll go ahead and swatch these ones for you. And I'll just go underneath the other one, just so you can see a difference. But these are really pretty. If you can see, the top one, of course, was the first one I showed you, and the second one on the bottom is the new one. These are really, really light. I'm not going to lie. The only really dark one is the one right on top, as I said before. But for my skin tone, it's going to work perfectly, or anyone suitable, like around my skin tone. I think it worked perfectly. And I don't think these are going to be around too long. So if you're interested, maybe go check it out. I didn't get anything free with this. There wasn't any discount or anything, unfortunately, when I purchased these, but I just really wanted to have them in my collection. And the other one I got for the Wicked from the Wicked movie theme, is the REM Beauty. This one is the Emerald City, and this is the eyeliner set. So this is what the packaging looks like. And I considered not purchasing this, but I did. There's one more that I did not purchase, and it's pink, like really, really pink. I just didn't know if I could pull those off, if I'm being honest. So I didn't get that one, but this was the other one. And when you open it up, it looks like this. So I haven't swatched these yet to even know, but oh yeah, that's really pretty. It's like a really pretty green. What are the colors called? Let me see. So this one here is Amazing. And then I'll show you the next one here. This one is called Follow the Road. So that makes sense. It's a pretty gold there. And the next one is going to be called Oh Forsake. I can get it out of the packaging. There we go. So this one is Oh Forsake. There we go. And then the last one is called Tin is In. And I'll go ahead and swatch that one. Okay, yep, that makes sense. So those are the colors there, and I really like these. I think they're very, very nice. I don't know if the pinks, like I said, I don't have the pinks. They were almost, well, unless I'd have to look at that in person to really know if I'd like it or not. If it's too pink, then it would stand out too much, I think, and I just like these kind of colors for me anyway. But I'm going to put these three away and show you what else is in this box. I have this from NYX. This is definitely not going to be around forever. This is the Professional Makeup Epic Wear Liner Kit. So this is what it looks like. And it doesn't have, I'll just have to take them out and look at it to show you what the colors are. Or does it say? I don't think it does. I'm just going to real quick look in here. I think it will tell me on the actual eyeliner itself. Yep. So the first one, oh, these are hard to get out. I don't know if I'm going to take them out yet, but I'll just go ahead and show you. So this first one here is the Epic Eyeliner Stick, and there is no color name on here that I'm seeing, but I'll just go like this and hold it up for you guys. These are the colors. Looks like there's a silver, a gold, a black, and this looks like brown, I believe. I think that's what it said when I ordered it online, but I am really excited for this. I like trying different kinds of eyeliners, and so this was a fun idea, I think, and anyone would really like it if they like makeup. And, oh, I have one more Wicked. I forgot about this. This is a mirror. I don't have a portable mirror yet that I carry with me. Sometimes I just like to check my lipstick if I'm wearing dark lipstick to make sure it hasn't, you know, smeared or whatever. But this is a mirror, and this is the Light Up Compact Mirror. It comes with batteries. So this is what it looks like, and I haven't taken this out of the package yet. It looks like it's taped. So since I am keeping this, I'm going to go ahead and take this out of here somehow. Oh, I'll take it out and come right back. This is what it looks like when you take it out of the package. I am a little nervous about this little rhinestone on the bottom. I have to be very careful, but I love that it's purple. One of my favorite colors. So when you open it up, it looks like this. It's a double mirror, and then this one is the one you will touch, and it has a little thing on here, so I'll pull it out, and hopefully the batteries will work. So let's see how this goes. Okay, well, the battery does not work, so it looks like I'll have to put a battery in here before I can use it, but I don't have a battery for this at the moment, but it does at least tell me what battery I need to put in here, so I'll have to go and purchase one of those, but I'm excited to have this carry with me in my purse. I have these eyeliners here, and these are actually very, very kind of festive. These are from NYX also, and I got 3 of the colors. I believe there's 4. But these are the NYX Professional, and it's Epic Ink Liner, and these are waterproof. This one is in the shade Spice Spice Baby. So this one is, if you can see, they just did this color. It's like a brown kind of color here, and maybe I'll open one of these just to see. Of course, this has tape on it. And I did order these online. I'm not sure if you can find these in the stores or not, but that's where I got mine. I actually had to go and get something to open this with. It is really hard to open, and I'm hoping, there we go, that this will work, and it did. So if I open it up, I'll show you guys what it looks like. So it has this little festive thing on the top. I don't know if you could take it off, but it looks like it's just part of the actual, yep, this is just the top of the lid. And go ahead and show you this. This is really pretty. It's right there. It's super, super light, really nice. And it looks like, I mean, you can either go hard on it or you can go, I mean, it has glitter. It's just really, really pretty, just like an extra detail. You want to, you know, add some just glitter to your eyes or whatever. I think that's really pretty. And the next one here is in the color Gingersnap Swirl. So I'll go ahead and open this one, but the packaging is very similar. And when you take it out, it looks like this. And I'll go ahead and swatch this one. So that one is this one here. It's a pretty like red color. And I believe, oh yeah, as I said, it's gingerbread. So it kind of looks like gingerbread to me, I suppose. And then I have one more of them. And this one is in the shade Milk Chocolate. So that's what this looks like. And I'll open this up. And we'll see what it looks like. Alright, this one has a pretty purple and green, if you can see right here. And I'll take it out and swatch it. There we go. So that is, and no, it does not smell. I didn't know if they would smell or not, but I don't smell anything with these, but that's fine. So that is all I have for the NYX ones. Oh, and I got something for free, it looks like, with purchase, which I didn't even realize. So it looks like this is a keychain or something. So that's what it looks like. It's really wrapped in here. I'm not sure what this is. Let's just take it out. Okay. It really doesn't want to come out though. Let's see. Oh, it's squishy. Okay, so it is, I don't know exactly. It looks like this, I mean, I think I'm just going to give this to my daughter and she can, maybe I could find something to hang it with and she could put it as, maybe it's supposed to be an ornament. I'm pretty sure that's what that is now that I look at it. It's supposed to be an ornament, but I think this would be really cute also as something to hang on a backpack, or, you know, if you have little tweens. I have a tween and she would love this for a backpack, but I think they're kind of having this as an ornament. That's my guess though. And one more thing I have in here, and I'll go ahead and show you how pretty this is. This, I mean, when I looked at this online, it did it no justice. This is the Half Magic Disco Ball Darlings Trio. It's a glitter pill. It says glitter eye paint and liner. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Those are so pretty. So pretty. I'm going to have to go and swatch these because it's so pretty. And I haven't hardly looked at this yet. Oh, maybe it just opens. Maybe, oh yeah, this one's easy open. So I'll go ahead and take them out. And there we go. Look at that. So pretty. So this first one is a pink and it's called Sweet Prince. So I just go up close. This is, oh, look at how pretty this is. Unbelievable. I love glitter and I think it's going to be really, really fun to use. So there we go. That is, sorry, my ugly fingernail. I cannot wait till it heals, but there we go. That is Sweet Prince. And the next one here is called, I'll go ahead and show you up close. This is what it looks like. And this one is called, I can barely read it, Glitter Pill, I guess. So I'll go ahead and show you this one. It's right underneath. Look how pretty that is. And the last one is like a blue kind of color. So this one is, oh no, I'll go closer. Really, really gorgeous. And this one is called, nope, this one is glitter. There's the brand. Sorry guys, this is Glitter Pill Microcosm. Very weird. And then this one is the Pretty Puddle. So I'll go ahead and swatch this one. Oh yeah. That is gorgeous. These are going to be so fun to just play with, and yeah, really, really pretty. I'm sure my daughter, who does go and use my makeup occasionally, will want to use this for school as well. And she doesn't wear a lot of makeup, but I do let her put like glitter on her cheeks or something. So, but she would really love this, I think. So that is all I got from Ulta, you guys. And that was just, I'd love to get some fun, festive stuff every once in a while. I mean, this year I didn't really go for the advent calendars. I did that last year, but honestly, I wanted to try something different this year. And so glad that I purchased all these. These are going to be so fun to work with and have in my collection. And honestly, I don't have any of these glitter liners until I bought these. So yeah, I mean, the blushes, I really think they're really pretty, but they're kind of hard to see. And like I said, you might want to test these out for yourself in the stores if they would work for you. But I really love everything I purchased here. And yeah, so thanks so much for watching. If you did enjoy, I hope you give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.